Hello students, welcome to France. We are here in the city of Nice. We are on our way to a vegan restaurant. This one is called Coco Green. It's not a big place, so we had to make a reservation. Once we sat down, we got the ugliest menu I've ever seen. Completely boring looking, no color, no pictures, nothing. But they had some really great choices. We ordered the kimchi waffle, the umami burger, and the couscous for 2 of us. And we got the drink of choice, which is always water. We try to drink a glass of water before we eat to make sure we're not dehydrated and to make sure that we don't overeat. But today, it's an unusual day because we're out at a vegan restaurant. So yeah, we're going to be overeating. This is the couscous plate with the vegan meat and all of the delicious vegetables on top, steamed to perfection. And this burger. This was one of the most delicious burgers I have ever had. The sauce, vegan, on top of the salad was also really good. But what was amazing about this burger was the bun was nice and soft. I don't like my buns too hard. It was all warm, and look at that. Vegan mayo in there, vegan bacon, just delicious. Heavy comfort food. If you haven't tried vegan meat yet, I highly suggest that you do. It really does taste like the real thing, and you don't have to pay anyone to murder any animals on your behalf. When this first arrived, I wasn't exactly sure where the waffles were. I assumed they were down in the middle there, but they're actually around the sides with the tomatoes on them. What about you guys? What are your favorite vegan meals? What are your favorite vegan restaurants, and where are they in the world? Let us know. Share in the comments below. I recommend everything so far that we've tasted. All of it was really delicious. Next, we ordered some desserts. This is a tiramisu. Have you ever tried the vegan version? Vegan desserts are as delicious as any other. They have perfected them at this point. By being vegan, you miss out on nothing. This was a warm brownie with some ice cream on it. There was a slight bit of saltiness to this, which really was a great contrast to the sweetness. Absolutely delicious. To find vegan restaurants in your neighborhood, download the Happy Cow app into your phone. I ordered a coffee. They didn't have soy milk, but they had oat milk, which was perfectly fine. Every time I go to a restaurant, I try to remember how privileged I am, that somebody is cooking for me and washing my dishes for me. I'm very grateful. After paying, we went and continued our way back to the car because we were headed over to the protest. As we walked through the streets, I could hear different languages: English, Italian, German, French. I rarely buy anything new, but this colorful cotton jacket really caught my eye. When I got to the protest, I noticed a similar thing with different protests around the world. A lot of people yelling at very few people paying attention. An important thing for animal rights activists to remember is to make sure to film yourself at these events. No, it is not vain. It is about trying to get the message out to the most amount of people. When you pick up your own camera and film yourself and interview all of the people around you, you have a much, much bigger reach. It's important to remember that legacy media is a thing of the past. We are the media now.
What they're saying is we are against captivity of the animals.
Wherever you are in the world, vegans, it's important that you film your food, film animals being saved, film yourself on a regular basis sticking up for the victims.
So, we were here today to ask Marineland to stop the exploitation of orcas. You know what Northern American call killer whales.
Yeah, orcas. Yeah,
Yes,
everybody
orcas.
knows that.
Yeah. So,
So that's right behind us right there.
Yeah, there were 4 of them 4 months ago, and 2 of them died. One in October and one on Thursday. So we are here to represent them and to ask for a sanctuary. And there is one being constructed in Canada, actually, in Nova Scotia.
Nova Scotia.
We support this project.
After hanging out with the protesters for a little while, we decided to go over to this other place called Not Dog. I'd heard about it and I wanted to experience for myself what the food was like. This is one of the owners, and this is what I ordered and what she gave me. It's a vegan burger with vegan meat. You can see there's bacon there, vegan bacon, and it was very good. I praised her on her presentation, and she said that she takes pride in being a perfectionist. Yes, that's vegan meat, vegan cheese, everything vegan. I don't eat this kind of food on a regular basis. This is a special occasion for me. I mostly eat whole foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. And I try to include 2 cruciferous veggies each day. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, take a look now and see if you can find the subscribe button. Press it, and also the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos going forward. If you need help becoming vegan, just ask me anything in the comment section. This guy just ordered takeout, and he's leaving with a bag full of food. We got some of these cookies. They were fresh out of the oven and absolutely scrumptious. Crispy a little bit on the outside, sort of mushy on the inside, really good. There's no excuse for animal abuse. Anything that you want to eat, you can find a vegan version of it. Right after this, we ended up talking to a couple of gay guys who were striving to be vegan. That was fun. Anyway, thanks a lot for hanging out with us. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.